Want to connect your DStv Explorer to your home internet? Is your Explorer in a different room to your router and too far to run an Ethernet cable between the two? Then you'll need a Dstv Wi-Fi connector to help you connect your Explorer and your router wirelessly. Firstly, check whether your router has a WPS button. Yes? Then keep watching this tutorial. No? Then please watch the tutorial showing you what to do if your router has no WPS button. To start, place your Wi-Fi connector next to the Dstv Explorer and not on top of it. Next, take the power cable supplied with your connector and connect the USB input into either of the USB ports on the back of the Explorer. Then, plug the other side into the power input on the back of the connector. Wait for the power LED on the front of the connector to change to white. Press the WPS button on your router. Then press the WPS button on the connector and wait 2 minutes. The Wi-Fi LED on the front of the connector will flash and then change to solid white once an internet connection has been established. Next, plug your Ethernet cable into the green Ethernet port on the back of your Explorer and plug the other side into the Ethernet port on the back of the connector. Now use the connectivity checker on your Explorer to confirm that you are connected to the internet. Just press Help, select Tools, select Connectivity Checker and press OK. Next, you'll need to switch on your connected services. The default setting for all connected services is off, so you'll need to manually select which of the services you would like enabled. To do this, press the blue Dstv button on your remote. Select Settings. Select User Preferences. Select Connected Services. And then choose which services you want on and which you want off. And that's that. You're connected and raring to go.